Hi, on this 2-minute tech tip, I wanted to give you a look at the new Google Earth. A lot of you are probably familiar with the desktop version of this that have been around for a long time, but recently Google released this new version of Google Earth, which is browser-based, which is great for us as we're moving forward with our Chromebook one-to-one initiative. This is something that will be available to all of you and your students right inside the Chrome browser. So all we need to do is go to earth.google.com and click the Launch Google Earth button. Give it a second to load up. And you're probably familiar with this if you ever use Google Earth, but now we've got the globe. I can spin the globe around. I can zoom in using my mouse wheel or using the plus and minus buttons. Over here on the side, we have a search button. So if we wanted to look for someplace in particular, so if I look for, I go to Pompeii, it'll zoom me in on Pompeii. Once we have ourselves located someplace, you'll notice that it automatically actually switched to 3D, the 3D view. I know that because right there I can switch back and forth between 2D or 3D. Okay. Over here we have something called the Voyager. If I click on that, these are kind of cool packaged trips, if you will, that Google has ready. So as an example, if I go to history, you'll see one of the things I can do is look at 30 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So it'll take me through, and for each one of these, it takes me to the spot, gives me some information on it. I can click on Learn More to go look at some other stuff. The other thing that's kind of cool is if I click on the picture here, it's actually going to take me into a photosphere. And now I can click and hold. If you see those arrows mean that I can actually move around within this photosphere, so I can kind of walk this road if I want to. All right, so that's all within that. I'm feeling lucky. It'll just take you to a random spot on the globe. And again, some of these are pretty interesting. Some of them are just kind of weird. A lot of them have information about them as well. Here, a lot of it is drawn from Wikipedia, but a lot of them do have information about the site. You can bookmark places, so within your account it'll keep the places. We can change our map view, so if we want to look at different styles of maps, we can. Right now I'm looking at the exploration. You can look at a clean view that gives you no borders or anything, so it's more of just the satellite imagery. And you can also, which is cool, make your own custom view, so you can decide what you want to have show up within the picture. And then if you find something really cool, you can click the share button and you can get a link and send a link to somebody so they can take a look at it too. So that's the new Google Earth. Again, take a look at it. I can think of lots and lots of applications of this for you and your students within the classroom. So earth.google.com.